Hey everybody, we're in a train heading to Eugene from Klamath, Oregon. This place fucking sucks. We're in a Superliner economy room, which is a bunk bed situation. Jesus. So there's a bunk bed up here, and then this pulls out towards a bed. When you get this room, you also get 3 meals if you're staying overnight. It's a pretty tight corridor. We're on the right side. Got a little sink, some mirror. And then a toilet and a shower all in one. It smells like a porta potty in there. And that's pretty much it. We're kind of been following the road here in terms of where we're going. There's not much out here. We're not really seeing many vistas or anything. Once we get on the Eugene, we'll just follow I-5 if you're familiar with the region. But it's kind of boring. It's not. It's more of the kind of the rails in America are pretty crappy. I had my parents come from Montreal to Vancouver, British Columbia, and that was supposed to be really nice. But this is just kind of following the road. I'm on a vacation, and I kind of already done this a little bit, so it's nothing really new. But anyways, guys, this is the train, Amtrak, the Coast Starlight is what they call it. Doesn't follow the coast, so it's just really ironic, really. I guess you could call it the West Coast. We're still on the West Coast, but that's it for me, guys. Catch you guys later.